Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English 101. I am your host, Bahar. It's so nice to have you with me for our third lesson. Today, we will learn something very important, simple numbers. Our new story is called A Counting Story. It's part of our Bahar's Life series and is perfect for basic level learners. I will read it slowly and clearly so you can relax, listen, and count with me. Let's begin. Bahar wakes up and looks at her clock. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. She has one big window in her room. She gets out of bed. On her bed, there are two soft pillows. One pillow is blue, and the other pillow is white. She likes both colors. She goes to the kitchen to make breakfast. She decides to eat eggs. She opens the refrigerator. Inside, there are 6 eggs in a carton. She takes 2 eggs to cook. On her table, she sees 1 salt shaker and 1 pepper shaker. That makes 2 shakers in total. After breakfast, Bahar gets ready to go shopping. She needs to buy 3 things: apples, bread, and milk. She writes them on her shopping list. 1, 2, 3. Then she checks her wallet. She has $10. That is enough for shopping. She puts on her shoes. She has 2 shoes, one for her left foot and one for her right foot. Bahar walks to the small shop near her house. It is only a 5-minute walk. Inside the shop, she sees many things. She goes to the fruit section first. She puts 4 red apples into a bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, she chooses 1 loaf of brown bread. Finally, she takes 1 bottle of milk. She now has her 3 items. At the counter, there is 1 person in front of her. Soon, it is her turn. The shopkeeper tells her the price. It is $8. Bahar gives him a $10 bill. He gives her $2 back as change. On her way home, Bahar goes through the park. She sees 3 children playing with the ball. They are laughing and running. She sees 2 dogs playing on the grass. Then she sits on a bench. There are 5 benches in a row. She chooses the 3rd bench. In the sky, she sees 6 birds flying together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then they fly away. When Bahar gets home, she puts her shopping away. She now has 4 apples in her kitchen. She eats 1 apple. After that, she has 3 apples left. In the evening, Bahar decides to read a book. On her bookshelf, there are 10 books on the top shelf. She chooses 1 book. The book has 9 chapters. She reads 2 chapters before she feels sleepy. It takes her about 1 hour. Later, she goes to her bedroom. She sets her alarm for 7 o'clock again. She gets into her bed with its 2 pillows. She closes her eyes and smiles. It was a simple day, a day full of numbers. She counted many things, from apples to birds to books. It was a good day. And that was our story for today, a counting story. How many things did you count with Bahar? I hope you enjoyed it and learned some simple numbers. Thank you for joining me on Easy English 101. I am your host, Bahar. Until next time, goodbye.